Good afternoon all. So all of you please take workbook part 1 page number 18. Please take workbook part 1 page number 18. And we are going to the question number 18. 1, 8, 18. Okay, are you ready with the page number 18? So all of you please.
Yes, ma'am.
I will call out the name. They will read the question. Okay, Adam Joe, please unmute. Adam Joe, only unmute and read the question number 18. 1, 8. Circle the shape. We have to circle the shape. And what is, before the square, we can see many shapes are there. What is the first shape, Adam?
Star.
Star. Next one.
Square.
Square.
Circle.
Circle.
Triangle.
Okay, very good. So we have to circle the shape before the square. Before square means in front of square. Which shape is in front of square? In front of square.
In front of square.
Which one is in front of square? Tell me louder.
In front of square. Tell me louder. Star.
Very good, very good. So star we can.
Very good. So star we can
circle.
Star we can circle.
So the answer is star. So you can move to the next page. Page number 19. Page number 19. And it's for Adel Ann. Only Adel Ann unmute. Adel Ann, please unmute.
Yes, ma'am.
And read B. Question number B. Circle the shape. After the
circle.
After the circle. That means behind of circle. Okay. Which are the shapes given?
Triangle.
Star.
Circle. Square.
So which one is behind of circle?
Square.
Very good. So we can circle square. We can circle square. Very good, Aidalan. Very good. Okay. Next, we are going to practice questions. So now we are revising the chapter. Okay. This is a revision for chapter number. Okay. It is a revision for chapter 3 numbers. We already studied all the topics in that chapter. We completed the exercise also. Then we are going to do some revision. Okay. So if you understood all the topics, you can say the answer correctly. Okay. So first question number 1. Prarthana, unmute and read question number 1. Prarthana, read question number 1.
Given a number.
Give a one-digit number. What is the question? Give a one-digit number. Any one-digit number we can give. Okay, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5,
1, 2,
7,
3, 4,
and
5,
9.
6, 7, 8, 9.
Any one only ask. Give a, only one. So any one of the one-digit number. So I am here going to write the number 1. You can write it 2 or 3 or 4 or 5 or 6 or 7 or 8 or 9. Only up to 9. So 1 to 9 only the one-digit numbers. So any one of the one-digit number you can write there. Okay. So okay, Prarthana, you can unmute. And next we have 2. Question number 2. Question number 2. It's for Anna Gathering. Anna Gathering, read question number 2. Question number 2. If there are.
Question number 2. If there are. If there are no BALLOONS.
Balloons. If there are no balloons. I-N.
If
Uh,
there are no balloons in
R-A-M. Ram.
Ram.
The name of a boy. Ram's H-A-N-D. Hand. Ram's hand. If there are no balloons in
How?
Ram's hand, how? W-I-L-L.
W.
How will you express? E-X-P-R-E-S-S. How will you express it
Express it. W-I-T-H.
with
With
a
a
number? See, Ram's has, there is no balloon. So how we will see with a number? How will you express with a number? If nothing is here, which number we will write?
0.
Very good. So the answer is 0.
0.
Please write the answer 0. So if nothing is here, we can write the number 0. So please mute your system. Okay. And next for Srutakirti. Srutakirti, unmute.
Yes, ma'am.
And read the question. Question number 3.
C-O-U-N-T.
Count.
Count
Uh,
and
W-R-I-T. Write.
write with the number of figures
Fingers. Fingers.
on
Uh.
one hand.
How many fingers are there in one hand? Count it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Five.
So there are
5.
5. Okay, so we can write the number 5. So count and write the number of fingers on one hand. One hand we have 5 fingers. Okay, Sudhakirti, very good. And next, it's for Siddharth. Siddharth, unmute. Question number 4. Question number 4. H-O-W. How? How many?
Many
T-E-N-S. Tens.
tens
A-R-E. R.
are
T-H-E-R-E. There.
there
I-N. In. 30. How many tens are there in 30? The number is 30 and this is tens place and this is ones place. So how many tens are there in the number 30?
30.
How many tens are there in the number 30?
3
Very good, very good. There are 3 tens. So the answer is 3. There are 3 tens in the number 30. Okay, Siddharth, very good. And next, question number 5, it's for Maithili. Please unmute. Read the question.
Write the
uh,
number
Write the number name
of
for
5 tens
5 tens and 6 ones. 5 tens and 6. What's the number? 56. It's asked number name. So you have to say the spelling. So the spelling? F I F T Y S I X. Okay, good. F I F T Y. 50 S I X. 56. Then next for Muhammad Rishan. Muhammad Rishan, please unmute and read. Question number 6.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
And
Ah,
the abacus
very good. Has.
has two
Ah,
beads.
beads.
Beads
Ah,
in the
ah,
ten
tens, please.
and lion
Ah, 9 the
beads.
ones, please.
Beads
Ah,
in the one's place.
ah,
One place nine.
the abacus has 2 beads in the tens place. 9 beads. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, the abacus has 2 beads in the tens place. 9 beads in the ones place. What is the number? What is the number? Tell me louder.
29.
29. Very good. So the abacus has 2 beads in the tens place, 9 beads in the ones place. The number is 29. Very good, Rishan. And next we have 7th question. Okay, and it's for Aradhi. Biju, please unmute. Aradhi, please unmute. And read question number 7. Question number 7.
What is the
Ah,
number
ah,
name
ah. Sorry. What is the number name of
98?
98? Number name. So the spelling. See the spelling.
N-I-N-E-T-Y.
N-I-N-E-T-Y. 90.
E-I-G-H-T-A.
Very good. Very good. N-I-N-E-T-Y. 90. E-I-G-H-T. 8. Okay, Aradhi. Good, good.
Thank you, ma'am.
So 98. And next question 8. 8 for Austin. Austin, please unmute. Austin, please unmute and read the question 8.
Which
Ah,
is
digit. Which digit? Ah, ah. Which digit is in the TENS? Tens. PLACE. Place in 46. Which digit is in the tens?
46.
Okay. So 46 we wrote here. So which digit in tens place? Is it 4 or 6?
4.
Which digit is in tens place?
4.
Austin, tell me answer. Which digit in tens place? If you put the tens and ones, we can see 4 is in the tens place, 6 is in the ones place. So the tens place digit is 4. Tens place digit is 4. Okay, Austin, very good.
Very hard.
And next for Rihan. Rihan, unmute. And read the question 9. Read the question 9.
In 15.
In 50. In 50, comma. How many ADS beads? WILL will be PLACED placed in the ones place ONES 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 of the end. ABACUS. What is that? Abacus. If 50, how many beads will be placed in the ones place of the abacus? If you draw the abacus, how many beads are there in the tens place? How many beads are there in tens place? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. What about the ones place? Is there any digit in? Is there any beads in ones place?
No.
No. So what is the answer?
Five.
What is the answer?
Five.
Ones place, is there any digit?
Five. Zero.
Zero. Ones place, no beads. It is 0. So the answer is 0. Ones place, the digit is 0. So there is no beads. If nothing is here, we can write the number 0. Okay, Rehan. Now next we have Edel Maria Shinsho, number 10. Please unmute. Question number 10.
Yes. WHT.
What?
Is the number
Ah.
of
If
IF.
the name is 39, how we will write 39? Very good. 39, 39. Very good, Edel Maria. Very good. So the answer is 39, 39. Okay. Next question for Adinath P. Sunil. Please unmute.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Read the question 11. Question number 11. WHICH.
Which number
Yeah.
is
BEFORE. Before?
before 19?
Before 19, which number? See, let us write 15 onwards. 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. Before 19, we have
18.
18. Very good, very good. So the answer is 18. Okay, Adinath, very good. And next for Ridvik N. Ridvik, please unmute. Ridvik, please unmute and read the question 12. Read the question 12.
Which
Which number COMES comes BEFORE before
17
before 17 and after 15.
after 15?
Before 17, after 15. Which number? Before 17 means 16. After 15, same number. Which number it is? 16. The number is 16. Okay? The number is 16. Very good, Ridvi. So before 17 we have 16 itself. After 15 also we have 16 itself. So the answer is 16. And next question for Malavika. Unmute. Question number 13. Which number is Malavika? I can't hear. Which number is larger? Which number is larger, 39 or 30? Which number is larger or greater? Very good, very good. It is 39. Okay, it is 39. It is 39. So 39, 39. So all of you please write the answer 39. Okay, now next we have 14th question. Okay, and it's for Anaya. Anaya, please unmute and read the question. Question number 14. Anaya, unmute and read the question number 14. Anaya, read. Right. Right. The. Write the number.
The number
BEFORE. Before and after 64. Write the number before and after 64. Okay? So we can write like this. Before 64 we have which number before 64? Which number? 63. So 63. After 64 we have 65. Very good, Anaya. Very good. So 63, 64, 65. So before 64, 63. After 64, 65. Next question, Junaita Joshi, please unmute and read question number 15. Question number 15.
Are the number 74 and 7 times 3 1 equal? No.
Are the numbers 74 and 7 tens and 3 ones are equal? See, 74 is one number. 7 tens and 3 ones is 74? No, it is?
No.
It is 73 only, no? So, 74 and 73 equal?
7 times and 4
73 and 74 is not equal. So, what is the answer? N-O, no. N-O, no. 73 is 7 tens and 3 ones. 74 means 7 tens plus but 4 ones. So, they are not at all equal. And next we have 16th question. Okay. Henry Baiju, please unmute. 16th question. Question number 16.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, read the question.
Compare
C-O-M-P-A-R-E. Compare.
49 and 47.
Compare 49 and 47 with a symbol. Okay. So how we will write which number is greater number?
50.
No. We compare. We have to compare the number. Okay.
49.
49 dash 47. Which one is greater? 49. So the mouth of the fish will be open towards 49. Okay. So how we will read this? 49 is greater than 47. So we can write 49 greater than symbol 47. Okay. So this we can read 49 is greater than 47. 49 is greater than 47. And next for Agnatius, please unmute. Agnatius, please unmute. And question number 17. Question number 17. Question number 17. O-R-D-E-R. Order the numbers 31, 37 and 39 in A-S-C-E-N-D-I-N-G, ascending order. See, we have 31, 37 and 39. So these numbers we have to write in ascending order. So what do you mean by ascending order? Writing the numbers from the smallest to the biggest. So, say the answer which is a smaller one. 31. Which is the next one? 37. Very good. The last number 39. Okay, we wrote these numbers in ascending order. So we can write here 39, comma 37, comma 39. Okay, Adinda. 31, 37, 39.
Ma'am, Sarah. 31. Ma'am, Sarah.
Okay, okay, okay.
7. അമ്മ നമ്പർ ഏതാണോ?
See, next one, it is 18th question. Okay, 18th question. Form two-digit numbers from 4, comma 1. See, form two-digit numbers from 1 and 0. Actually, we studied only two-digit numbers by giving two digits. No? Here it is given 4, comma 1, comma 0. So, using these 3 digits, we have to make two-digit numbers. Okay, we have to make two-digit numbers.
41.
Very good. Some are telling the answer. First one we can use 41. Okay. Next one.
41 and 10.
0. What's the number?
41 and 10.
Then 1 and 0.
10.
10.
10.
Okay.
10.
Then
40.
1, 4. 14. Then
41.
and these many numbers we formed. Now we can repeat the digits. Okay, this topic is in 3rd standard only. Just we can write answers. That's enough. Okay, 41, 40, 10, 14. This much we can make it now, right? Now we can repeat the digits. 4, 4, 44. Or 1, 11. Okay, 1, 1, 11. There's no need to study. 18, no need. Okay, 18, the question is you can write the answers. It's not your topic. Okay, so you can write 41, comma 40. 41, 40, 10, 14, 44, 11. 41, 10, 14.
completed. Ma'am, Pratana completed.
Okay, okay, very good, very good. 41, 10, 40, 44, 11. Now, question number 19. Manav, please unmute and read question number 19.
In descending
Question number 19.
right.
Write the numbers.
87, 81, 39.
Very good. Which order? In descending order. What do you mean by descending order?
Smallest, biggest to smallest.
Biggest to the smallest. So, say the answer. Which is the biggest one?
38.
The biggest one? 87. Okay. 81. 39.
81, 39.
81, 39.
39.
Okay, good.
39. Ma'am, Sarah.
Okay. Sarah, read the last one then. 87, 81, 39. That is the answer. And last one, the number 20. Read the question.
Ma'am, Pratana completed.
Read the question, Sarah.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay, read. FORM. Form
the
the largest, largest.
largest two
Ah,
digit
Ah.
number
ah,
from 5, 2 and 8.
5, 2 and 8. It's given 3 digits. Actually, we have only 2 digits we studied. Anyway, we can make it. Okay. For finding the largest number, how we will write? We have to make a 2 digit number, no? So first we can take 5 and 2. Okay, 5 and 2. What is the number 5 and 2 biggest number?
52.
52. Okay. Then what about to 5 and 8?
58.
5 and 8.
58.
Which number?
58.
85. Okay. And next one, let us take, sorry, 5, 2 we took, 5, 8 we. 2, 8. 2 and 8. What's the number?
82.
82. Okay. This is not your question. Its topic is different. Okay, but anyway, we can write answer. Okay. So it just we can put commas and write. These questions no need to write. Okay, means no need to study. So we can write 85, comma 52 and 82. You will get only 2 digits. From that 2 digits only, you have to make the biggest 2-digit number and the largest 2-digit number. Okay. So question number 20, then question number 18, then only these two. These two, you no need to give more importance. Okay. Question number 18 and question number 20, no need to give more importance. Okay.
Ma'am, Pratana completed.
Very good, very good. So everybody
And
completed.
Sarah complete.
Very good, Sarah, very good. So, Mohammed Rishan. Mohammed Rishan, how to form 2-digit numbers? How to form 2-digit numbers? Tell me, Mohammed Rishan, how to form 2-digit numbers? Mohammed, where is he? We will revise that. Okay, we will revise once again. I didn't see Rishan. Okay. Now, all of you please listen to here. Just we are revising that topic. Okay, how to form 2-digit numbers. So I have 8 and 9. Okay. Rihan Hanifa. Rihan Hanifa, please switch on the video. Okay.
Ma'am.
Okay, Rihan, we have 8 and 9. Okay, we have to form greatest number. We have to form greatest number. How we will form the greatest number? Here we are not repeating any one of the digits. Okay, we are not repeating any one of the digits. How to form the greatest number? What we studied to form the greatest number? Are you remembering, Rihan?
Largest number. Right.
Greatest number. Listen to ma'am. Okay. To all of you, listen to ma'am. To form the greatest number.
18.
To form the greatest number, write the greater number in tens place and smaller number in the ones place. Okay. I will repeat once more. To form the greatest number, write the greater digit in the tens place and smaller digit in the ones place. Rihan, here which is a bigger digit?
9.
9. So 9 we can write in the tens place. Okay.
Right.
Or which is a smaller digit? 8. Okay. So 9 tens and 8 ones. What's the number?
Go to toilet.
98. Okay, I will repeat once more. I will repeat once more. 8 and 9. These are the digits given.
Go
Okay,
to
we have to
toilet.
form the greatest number. How to form the greatest number? Write the bigger digit in the tens place and smaller digit in the ones place. Okay, so 8 and 9, the bigger digit is 9. So that we write in the tens place. The smaller digit is 8, that we write in the ones place. So the answer 9 tens and 8 ones, 98.
98.
Okay, then we have to form the smallest number. Smallest number. For forming the smallest number, again we can draw the same table, tens and ones. Okay, so if you want to form the smallest number, write the smaller digit in tens place. Here, which is a smaller digit? 8. So that we can write in the tens place. Which is a bigger digit? That we can write in the ones place. So 8 tens and 9 ones. What's the number? 89. Okay, 89. So for forming the greatest number, write the bigger digit in the tens place and smaller digit in the ones place. So we go to 98. For forming the smallest number, write the smaller digit in the tens place and bigger digit in the ones place. So 8 tens and 9 ones, the answer is 89. Okay, so by this we completed the workbook and we start the revision again on Monday. Okay, so thank you for joining all. Thank you. See you on next day.
Thank
Bye.
you, ma'am.
Thank you.